Meaning of diocese.
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 Diocese. A diocese is an administrative division within some Christian denominations. It is usually led by a bishop and encompasses a geographic region or territory. The term primarily refers to the Catholic, Anglican, and Eastern Orthodox churches, but other Christian denominations also use the term. Within the diocese, the bishop is responsible for overseeing the spiritual and material welfare of the community, including priests, deacons, and lay people. Additionally, the bishop has authority over various institutional aspects of the church, such as schools and hospitals. The scope and structure of a diocese can vary depending on the denomination and region.